Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Maneater on piano. This iconic 80s hit by Hall and Oates features a super catchy bass line and memorable synth parts. We will break down the song into manageable sections, starting with the left-hand bass, then moving to the right-hand chords and melody. Our goal is to help you play this fantastic tune with confidence and a great groove. The heart of Maneater lies in its driving left-hand bass line. This pattern is typically played with a strong, rhythmic feel, often using root notes and fifths. For example, you might play a low C, then a higher C, followed by a G, creating a powerful, pulsing groove. Start by practicing this pattern at a very slow tempo, ensuring each note is clear and perfectly in time. Now, let's add the right-hand parts, which consist of sustained chords and catchy melodic fragments. These are often played with a synth-like quality, using simple triads or open fifths to create a full sound. For instance, you might hold a C minor chord while the left hand plays its bass line. Focus on the interplay between your hands, ensuring the right hand melody sits perfectly within the groove. Bringing both hands together requires patience and focused practice. Start by playing just one or two measures at a time, ensuring both hands are perfectly synchronized. Use a metronome to maintain a steady tempo, gradually increasing the speed as you become more comfortable. Remember, short, consistent practice sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes each day, are far more effective than one long, infrequent session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.